Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by saving any open files, then close all documents. This prevents data loss when resetting the interface. Once done, launch Solidworks normally but disable non-essential add-ins to avoid conflicts. You want a clear baseline, so take quick screenshots of custom toolbars or note their names. This makes restoration simple. Now move to the user options. You will access the customized dialog immediately, so make sure the app is focused, and you can follow the next steps without interruptions. You now right-click any empty toolbar area and choose Customize, then switch to the Toolbars tab to control what appears. Once there, use Reset to Defaults if you want a complete, fast restore. Otherwise, remove problematic toolbars and re-add specific commands to avoid losing custom shortcuts. Make sure to inspect Command Manager, keyboard, and mouse gesture panes. They often hold related layout settings. After editing, apply changes and visually confirm the toolbars match your baseline screenshots before closing the dialog. If the Customize approach fails, you can force a full UI reset by closing SolidWorks and backing up relevant registry keys first. This step protects your custom settings. Once backed up, delete or rename the SolidWorks entries under HKey current user /software /SolidWorks to let the app recreate defaults on next launch. After restarting, make sure toolbars are restored. If things still go wrong, run SolidWorks RX to capture logs and use safe mode or contact IT. These diagnostics speed up targeted fixes and prevent repeat resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.